Hello, artists. This portion of the project is fairly straightforward. You are simply going to use watercolor paints to paint your entire image, save for white areas such as the moon or any other areas that need to remain white. But those items should be fairly limited. We want a rich, full, color-filled painting. The first tip I want to share with you is not too much water. We hear the word watercolor and we assume that our paint colors have to be watered down and very pale, but that's not really the case. You can have bold, vibrant colors with watercolor. You simply have to have enough paint in your brush. So when you dip your paintbrush in the water, use that water and really blend in to the color pan of your watercolor palette. And the longer that you brush inside of the little oval, the more pigment you're getting in your paintbrush, and that will transfer to your paper. Another artist tip is when using watercolor paints, it's a really good idea to spread out. What that means is if I paint one area, I'm not going to start painting directly beside of that shape with another color. I'm going to paint somewhere else on the paper so that I give the area that I just put paint down time to dry. That's going to prevent bleeding from one color to another color. Don't be afraid to put one color on top of another color and blend it in to create a custom color for your painting. For the best results, always remember to hold your brush the way you hold a pencil, as well as always brush gently and carefully. Imagine brushing your hair, or if you were brushing a kitten with the bristles of this paintbrush. By being gentle and keeping those bristles to a point, you will have an excellent painting. Notice I'm not leaving any stars in the sky. I will do that with oil pastel once the painting has dried. Once you're finished, set your painting aside to dry and clean up your studio space.